Good morning, lovely babies. Are you ready for today's class? Okay, before starting the class, let's sing a rhyme. If you're ready and you know it, sit right there. If you're ready and you know it, sit right there. If you're ready and you know it, and your smile will really show it. If you're ready and you know it, sit right there. If you're ready and you know it, look at me. If you're ready and you know it, look at me. If you're ready and you know it, and your smile will really show it. If you're ready and you know it, look at me. So now I hope all my babies must be ready for the class. Yes? Okay. So babies, today we are going to learn a very interesting topic in maths. And the topic is small, medium and big. Let's repeat. Small, medium and big. So, before explaining the topic, I want to tell you a story. Now, the name of the story is Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Let's see the characters in the story. Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and Baby Bear. Say hello to Baby Bear. Hello. And a beautiful girl named Goldilocks. You know why her name was Goldilocks? Because she was having golden hair. Yes, can you see? Okay. So, once upon a time, there was a bear family. Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and Baby Bear. One day, Mama Bear made porridge and she called Papa Bear and Baby Bear. Come quickly, the porridge is ready. So, Papa Bear and Baby Bear came to have the porridge. Now, when Papa Bear tasted the porridge, he said, the porridge is so hot. Let's go out for a walk. And when we will come back, the porridge will be cool enough to eat. So, all the three bears went out of the house. See, they all went out for the walk. But, you know, babies, what happened? Papa Bear forgot to lock the door. Oh, and he left the house open. Then, when they were out for the walk, you know who came? Goldilocks. Goldilocks was moving in the jungle and suddenly she saw a beautiful cottage and she said, "Oh, such a beautiful cottage. Who lives here? I am so eager to go and see." So she went there and she knocked at the door. Knock, 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 knock. But there was no reply. She again knocked at the door. Knock, 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 knock. I think there is nobody in the house. But the door is open. So let me go inside and see. So she walked inside the house. And when she walked inside, she saw three spoons first. First she saw a big spoon, the Papa Bear spoon. It is so heavy for me to lift the spoon. It's so big. Then she tried to lift the second spoon, the medium-sized spoon. This is also heavy for me. Then she saw a small baby spoon. She lifted the spoon and said, this is just perfect. Oh, see, there are 3 bowls of porridge. I'm so hungry. So, first she went to the big bowl of porridge. As she tasted the porridge, it's so hot. I can't have this porridge. she went to the medium-sized bowl, Mama Bear's bowl. She tasted the porridge. This is also hot for her. Then she saw a small baby bowl. As she tasted the porridge, she said, this is so yummy. I will finish it off. So she finished the porridge in the baby bear's bowl. Then when she went to the next room, see, what did she see? She saw 3 chairs. First, she tried to sit on the big Papa Bear's chair. Oh, it is too hard. It is too big. I'm not able to fit in this chair. So she jumped out of it. Then she tried to sit on Mama Bear's chair. Oh, I think this is also big for me. Then she saw a small baby bear's chair. Oh, this is just perfect for me. So she sat on the baby bear's chair. Now she started feeling sleepy and tired. So she went upstairs to the bedroom. She went upstairs to the bedroom and there she saw 3 beds. Yes, first she tried to lie on the Papa Bear's bed. Oh, this is too big for me. Oh, it's too hard also. Then she lied on Mama Bear's medium-sized bed. This is also not very comfortable. Then she saw a small bed. Whose bed it must be? Yes, it's Baby Bear's bed. So she lied in the bed, put up the cushion and the quilt, and she fell asleep. See, she fell asleep. So, while Goldilocks was sleeping on the bed, who came in the house? The 3 bears. The 3 bears came back to the house. Now, when they saw the house, what Papa Bear said? Somebody ate my porridge. Mama Bear said, somebody ate my porridge. Baby Bear said, somebody ate my porridge and my porridge is all finished. Then they went to the next room. Papa Bear said, somebody sat on my chair. Mama Bear said, somebody sat on my chair. And the Baby Bear said, somebody sat on my chair too. I'm so scared, Papa Bear. Who is in our house? Papa Bear said, don't worry, baby. Let me go and check. I'm not going to leave that stranger. So, when they went to the bedroom, what did they see? They saw Goldilocks sleeping on the bed. Now the Papa Bear said, somebody lied on my bed. Mama Bear said, somebody lied on my bed. And Baby Bear said, somebody lied on my bed and she's still there. She's sleeping on my bed. So, Papa Bear got very angry. He came close to Baby Bear's bed and looked at Goldilocks. As he looked at Goldilocks, Goldilocks woke up. And when she saw a bear standing on her head, she jumped out of the bed and ran out of the house. So babies, I hope you liked the story. Yes? And what we have learned from the story? That we should never leave our house open when we are going out. Otherwise, any stranger can come in our house. Yes? Okay. So let's revise all the 3 sizes which we have learned through this story. First, we saw 3 spoons. small, medium, and big spoon. Then we saw 3 bowls, small bowl, medium bowl, and a big bowl. Then we saw 3 chairs, small chair, medium-sized chair, and a big chair. Then we saw 3 beds, a small bed, a medium-sized bed, and a big bed. So babies, I hope now all the 3 sizes are clear to you. Small, medium, and big. I have few more things with me to show you. Now, I have these cars. Let's see the cars. Okay, now you are going to tell me whether it is small, medium, or big. Now, can you tell me which is the small car? Is this the small car? No. Is this the small car? No. This is the small car. Very good. So, small, medium, and big. Okay, I have balls also with me. Now, let's see the balls. Okay. Which type of a ball is this? Is this a small or a big ball? Yes, you're right. Small, medium, and big ball. Let's revise again. Small, medium, and big. Last, I have some t-shirts with me. And let's see. This is small, medium, and this is a big t-shirt. Yes? So babies, I hope the concept of small, medium, and big is clear to you. Do listen to the story at home, and bye-bye. See you in another class.